The 20,000 pascals turbo suction is the standout. In my testing, it effortlessly yanked fine dust and pet fur from deep in rugs that my stick vacuum always left behind. I was also blown away how it handled cattle beefing snack crumbs, real-world messes that most robots skip over. The HydroJet real-time mop cleaning roller is something I hadn't seen before. Unlike flat pads that smudge, this rotating roller washes itself consistently with fresh water, so mop grime doesn't get redeposited. Once it tackled a sticky juice spill in my kitchen, the roller scrubbed intelligently, and the dirty water got sucked back clean without streaks. Then there's the corner-over arm and duo spiral brushes. The little extendable arm caught debris in corners that other bots always miss, and the spiral brushes repelled hair tangles for long sessions. Even after running past my cat's fluff fur, they actually pulled it away into the bin cleanly. Transitions were another highlight. When the robot detected carpet, it automatically lifted the mop and boosted suction so nothing turned it into a soggy mess. That intelligent surface detection saved me from manually switching modes. Overall, these features didn't just sound good on paper, they delivered in my daily routines.